Turning on these settings on your YouTube studio can help you make a difference with this new monetization update. But turning on these settings is not an automatic switch that will just make a difference with this new update. But if you're posting your videos that are authentic, that are original, and then you turn on these settings, it will definitely make a difference with this new update. Listen, YouTube is closely watching every creator right now more than ever before. And what is this new monetization update that will be implemented from the 15th of July 2025? YouTube wants original content, YouTube wants authentic content, and YouTube is against mass produced content, it's against repetitive content and reuse content. So, if your contents are repetitive or they are mass produced, then you might not be able to monetize your channel, or your monetization might be taken away. Without any further ado, let me show you these settings that can help save your channel from this new monetization update. Let's go to your YouTube studio. You can use your laptop or whatever device you have. The first setting on your YouTube studio that can help you make a difference with this new monetization update that will be implemented from the 15th of July 2025 is your channel's category. How many of you know the category of the videos you upload on your channel? How many of you have set your channel category? Now let's go to the YouTube studio. Right here, go to where you see settings, just click on it just like so, and click right here on default or upload default, click on advanced settings, and below here you're going to see license and category. When you click on category, you're going to see the different categories that your videos fall under. Now mine right here is education. We have different, like we have auto and vehicle, we have comedy, education, entertainment, film and animation, gaming, how to and style. There are many categories right here. So just select the category of your videos and then you click on save. Now I have my category right there. What happens when you set your channel to your category? It tells the algorithm and tells YouTube that these are the kind of videos you'll be creating on your channel and you are creating on your channel. So they are already aware of the kind of audience you are looking for. Now that is just the first. The second setting is automatic chapter and key moment. Now, right here on your YouTube studio where you see automatic chapter, the same place as category, we have automatic chapters right here. Chapters and key moments make your video easier to watch. You can override automatic suggestions by creating your own chapters in the video description. Now, if you watch most of these established content creators, you realize that all their videos always have chapter. If they're having 10 chapters, you will see there. If there are 2 chapters they are talking about, you're going to see it automatic right there. And what is difficult with you just coming to your YouTube studio and setting this? You can do this manually when you're uploading the video, but you can also do it automatically right here on your YouTube studio. And all you have to do is click right here on allow automatic chapters and keywords. That is all. You just click on it and you click on save. Remember what I always say, anything you do on your YouTube studio, remember to always click on save and click on publish. If you do not do these 2 things, then all the work you've done is in vain. Remember, the first thing, you click on save, and the second, you click on publish. This automatic chapter and key moments actually help your audience to know exactly where your breakpoints are on your video, and also tells the algorithm you know exactly what you are doing. The third setting that can help your channel is doping. How many of you know that YouTube can dope your videos in other languages and recommend them to people who speak those languages? Now, YouTube actually implemented this newly, and you do not need to make a video in English, make in French, make in Spanish. You can do that in the language you're comfortable in. All you have to do to let YouTube dope your content is to come right here to your YouTube studio, and below here where you see automatic doping, you can click right there on allow automatic doping, and YouTube will do this on your videos. Now, YouTube can dope your video in as many languages as possible. When YouTube dopes your videos, it recommends your videos to people from that region who speak that language. So this helps your channel. Why it's recommending your videos to people who speak the language you've created your video in, it's also doping and recommending to other audience that you have never reached and you were not even hoping to reach. So it's multiplying your geographical area and making you more popular and getting you more views, more watch time, and more engagement on your channel. So each time you're uploading a video, YouTube is already aware that you want them to dope your videos. Now, the fourth setting on your YouTube studio that can help you make a difference with this new monetization update is your audience. What kind of audience do you need to watch your videos? Do you need kids? Are your videos made for kids? Are your videos not made for kids? Now, you can do this, you can make this setting when you're uploading your video. But like I said, to make it more effective, do this on the settings of your YouTube channel. And all you have to do is to come back here to settings and then you click on chapter and you click on advanced settings. Now listen to this. Simplify your workflow by selecting a channel setting. If you skip this question, you'll be required to identify each video on your channel that's made for kids. This setting will affect existing and future videos. Settings for individual videos will override the channel settings. So all you have to do is to come here, scroll below, and you're going to select what audience you are looking for. If you're looking for kids, then you click on kids. If you're looking for not kids, then you do that. And when you're done, click on save and you click on publish. Remember to always do this when you turn on or off anything on your YouTube studio. So when you select your audience automatically right here when you're setting up your YouTube channel on your YouTube studio, then it helps the algorithm to be aware that this channel, this content creator is looking for this particular audience for their channel. So these four settings will help you make a difference with this new monetization update. Now guys, I know a lot of you are worried. You're worried about if your channel will be affected or not, if you're going to be demonetized, if your videos are going to be taken down, or if YouTube is going to shadow ban you or all that. Yes, I know. And a lot of my community members have sent me email, they've sent messages as to how they are worried I should review their channels and all that. In as much as I know a lot about YouTube, I still don't know about YouTube. I've always told you guys that there is no straight path to YouTube. YouTube can never give you the blueprint. Whatever update is happening right now will still happen in the next 6 months. Another update will come, another will keep coming. That is why I always tell you as a content creator, make sure you always go to read the updates and be prepared for everything and anything that will happen on YouTube. Remember, there was a time when faceless YouTube channels were the one on top of the money making part of this YouTube. Some will even start their channels today and in the next 2 weeks they are monetized. Some get monetized, they get their 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch time in the next 1 week, even with one video. But right now, YouTube is re-strategizing. Remember, YouTube is not against faceless YouTube channels, but the way they are doing or creating the videos, which you just need to adjust to that. And when you adjust to that, it will be okay. When you adjust to what YouTube wants, your channel becomes fine. So right now, just try as much as possible to follow this update, re-edit your channel, re-edit your videos, put some on private or unlisted if need be. Thank you all so much for watching this video and I wish you all the best with your YouTube channel. Until next time, never give up on whatever you do. Love you all. Bye.